Now come to the solid solution. What is solid solution? I mean, in the first unit we have discussed lot of things. I mean, what are the impurities, how they going to be beneficial for your study, for your requirement. Okay, so that would that about. Okay, what is element, what is the atoms, how you know so far we have not discussed predictable, but what is the predictable, and how the elements are arranged in the predictable, and what is atomic number, what is the mass numbers. Okay, that all I have mentioned in your predictable. I hope that you have gone through at least once. Okay, so if I mean, keep in mind that all. Okay, and then go further so that you will have easier to understand the things smartly. Okay, so a solid solution is a type of the homogeneous crystal structures. Okay, so we have discussed these things as well. We have already discussed what is the crystal structure and what are the types of the crystal structures. What we have discussed the unit cell as well. Okay, so unit cell is a very basic, and further how many kinds of you know the crystal structures are there. Okay, so where the atoms of two or more elements are distributed uniformly within single solid phase. Okay, so as we have discussed, what is the LY? So keep in mind what is LY. So in LY you have the two or more elements present together. Okay, so they are distributed uniformly within a single solid phase. Okay, if they are present in a single solid phase, okay, then it is okay. It the form when the solute atoms. Solute means the added element. Solute means, I mean, the amount of if we talk about the mixture, what the kind of the mixture? Mixture means some could be in the 50%, some could have the higher percentage, and some could have the less percent. If we take the example, I mean here about the Babbitt. Yeah, in this example, what is solute? These two are the solutes. Okay, because this is the parent element. This is known as solvent. Okay, so this is the solvent. I mean the amount of I mean the by volume percentage which is more in the mixture is known as your solvent, and just all known as solute. So yeah, the solute atoms are incorporated into the lattice of the solvent. Atoms, yeah, I mean, it means host element. Host element means the solvent in which you are basically incorporating your solute element. Okay, like this example of the sugar in solid solution of your two types. Oh, sorry, sugar solid. Okay, we have mixed sugar in pure water is the example of it. This is a solid solution. Okay, so what you are sugar in pure water. So pure water is your solute or solvent. It's a solvent because you are having the mm, uh, more water by volume. Okay, than sugar. Okay, so sugar is your solute element and water is your solvent element, right? If we talk about solid solution of two types, I mean, how many types of there? Then we have two types of solid solution. First one is substitutional, and second one is interstitial. So now you can think about. I have read in the first unit that what is the substitutional defects and the interstitial defects, right? These are the, I mean, and also there are the vacancy defects we have discussed in our first unit, which is known as the point defects. You remember that?